It's been proven that regular consumption of seeds and nuts, including almonds, is incredibly good for your health and appearance. But can they actually transform our body? And if so, exactly what positive changes will you see? Well, keep on watching to find out. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that little notification bell so that you won't miss any of our new videos. Alright, let's start with almonds. Basically, they're always a good choice when it comes to keeping a healthy diet. Countless studies have shown that these nuts not only normalize lipid levels in the blood, they also reduce the risk of developing cardiovascular disease in patients with diabetes. Almonds are a true miracle for helping you lose weight as well, since they lower the level of fat in the body. And because they're an alternative to animal protein, they give you that same sense of being full, which means that you won't constantly overeat. Experts recommend eating just 20 almonds a day to get all these awesome health benefits. The best way to do it is to snack on them in between meals. Remember though, that Rome wasn't built in a day, so your desired results won't come right away. Be patient, and soon enough you'll see and feel your overall health improving, guaranteed. But are almonds your only option when it comes to taking care of yourself and looking great while you do it? Of course not. Other nuts and seeds can do just as great of a job. And, depending on your personal needs, some provide even better results. So, let's see what your other healthy snack options are. Flax seeds. Scientists at the National Dairy Research Institute have proven that flax seeds are great for your health because their chemical composition basically multitasks at improving all kinds of bodily systems at once. The magic is in the natural hormones called phytoestrogens found in flax seeds. They effectively fight off malignant tumors, especially breast and prostate cancer. The fiber in these seeds coats the stomach and prevents inflammation. But that's still not all. 1 tablespoon of mashed flax seeds contains nearly 2 grams of omega-3 fatty acids, which keep your cardiovascular system in tip-top shape. With all that good stuff, who wouldn't want to include more flax seeds in their diet? Sesame seeds. According to researchers at Australia's Griffith University, the chemical composition of sesame seeds decreases blood pressure, effectively preventing stroke, heart attack, and kidney failure. Even more amazingly, these seeds contain a ton of special antioxidants that significantly reduce high cholesterol and can't be found in most other products. The cherry on top is the high amount of oils in them that improve the condition of your skin, hair, and nails. So, with the help of sesame seeds, you'll be feeling and looking good. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds contain a huge amount of arginine, which helps dilate the blood vessels, thus improving circulation and preventing hypertension. And although these seeds really do have a ton of calories, they also contain lots of protein, which balances everything out and normalizes blood sugar levels when it gets absorbed by the body. They're also rich in vitamins A and E, which are essential for maintaining skin elasticity. This explains why pumpkin seeds are one of the most effective secret weapons the cosmetic industry has. Walnuts. Researchers at La Trobe University in Australia have found that the minerals contained in walnuts lower the risk of developing both cardiovascular disease and coronary heart disease. Plus, they have a natural chemical called tocopherol, which is highly effective at minimizing symptoms associated with age-related disorders and protecting men from prostate cancer. According to Dr. Joe Vinson, a chemistry professor at the University of Scranton, just 7 walnuts a day can bring you all of their potential health benefits. So eat up! Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds contain sulfur-rich proteins that are proven to be extremely good for your muscle and bone tissue. According to researchers in the Department of Botany at the PMAS Arid Agriculture University, sunflower seeds effectively prevent bronchial and lung infections because of their antioxidant, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammatory properties. If you want to get in on all these health-boosting benefits, just make it a habit to consume 1 ounce of sunflower seeds every single day. Pistachios. Compared to other nuts, pistachios contain a lot less fat and calories. But the most interesting part is that they have the highest level of unsaturated fatty acids, potassium, and carotenoids. These chemicals basically provide antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Experts at Nutrition Science Solutions also confirm that snacking on pistachios can help you feel full longer, which makes them great for weight control. Most studies have shown that it's best to consume 1.5 to 3 ounces, about 1 or 2 handfuls, of pistachios per day to let all these amazing properties work their magic on your system. Cashews. First off, cashews are full of iron, which is a must-have to prevent anemia. Plus, they can really help diabetics stabilize their blood sugar levels. And the advantages just keep on coming. The phosphorus and thiamine contained in cashews will help you get through the workday a lot easier since they both keep energy levels up. And finally, the anti-inflammatory effect of these nuts strengthens the immune system and protects the body from the flu virus. All this seems too good to be true, doesn't it? Well, just take it from weight management expert Dr. Gargi Sharma, who says that eating just 4 to 5 cashews a day will give you visible results within a couple weeks. Hazelnuts. Hazelnuts are a big favorite for a lot of people, and their amazing health benefits will make you fall in love with them even more. Researchers in the Department of Nutritional Sciences at the University of Connecticut have proven that the abundance of vitamin B contained in hazelnuts helps make bones and muscles stronger and gives the immune system a welcomed boost. Your circulatory system also gets its dose of treatment, since the organic acids in these nuts block cholesterol levels from increasing in the blood. This, as you may know by now, prevents cardiovascular disease. All you've got to do is eat 20 per day, and the hazelnuts will do the rest themselves. Peanuts. Peanuts are definitely one of the most popular items on our list. And it's no surprise, since they contain tons of important elements. For example, their polyphenol protects the cells of the body from harmful free radicals, helping us stay young longer. Linoleic acid, in its turn, brings high cholesterol down and prevents sclerosis. You can get the most out of peanuts if you make them part of a nutritionally balanced diet. According to the Institute of Chemical Technology, peanuts subdue hunger for a while. So as a between-meal snack, they'll help you eat less so you can bid farewell to all those extra pounds. Brazil nuts. Thanks to their large amounts of fiber and the cleaning effect they have on the intestines, Brazil nuts significantly improve digestion, at least according to the Department of Nutritional Sciences at the University of Connecticut. They also contain something called selenium, which plays a huge role in producing the cells that make up the immune system. The unsaturated fats found in Brazil nuts decrease blood sugar levels dramatically, protecting the body from diabetes and atherosclerosis. So if you're already interested, all you'll need is 2 nuts a day according to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. Pecans. Pecans are pretty caloric, but it's not as bad as you might think, because all these calories provide us with lots of energy. The vitamin E in pecans serves to protect the body from the harmful effects of environmental factors like solar radiation. And let's not forget about vitamin B, which pecans contain in large amounts as well. Your hair, skin, and nails can't get enough of that stuff. The chemical composition of this nut not only regulates testosterone levels in men, it's also really good for women's health too. That's why adding more pecans to your diet will surely put you on the road to better health. Chia seeds. Last, but certainly not least, tiny little chia seeds pack a big health-boosting punch. Their omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids work wonders on the heart and blood vessels, lowering cholesterol and preventing clots from forming. Another component in chia seeds, vitamin B to be precise, helps clear up and prevent skin problems. Don't forget that these seeds are especially good for women, particularly during menopause. Studies estimate that reasonable amounts of chia seeds to consume is about 1 ounce per day. To put it in a nutshell, no matter which type of nuts or seeds you choose from this list, you'll definitely see positive changes in your body. Just remember that, as always, moderation is key here since most nuts and seeds have a lot of calories. So be sure to stay within the daily limit, which is no more than 1 ounce for any nut or seed. So, which one of these nuts and seeds is your favorite? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to click subscribe.